Did you know the funniest man in 15th century Seville never actually laughed? Rodrigo had been the royal jester for 16 straight years. Every single joke he ever told the king contained something real, something he desperately needed someone to hear. He wrapped his pain inside punchlines so perfectly that nobody ever noticed. Not the court, not the king, not once. Then one afternoon, the king leaned forward and said, "Rodrigo, tell me one true thing. No jokes, just truth." The court went silent. Rodrigo opened his mouth, and nothing came out. He had performed sincerity for so long inside the comedy that he could not find where the jokes ended, and he actually began. He stood there, the funniest man in the room, completely lost inside his own laughter. And that is your small truth. Humour is one of the most brilliant disguises ever invented. Sometimes the funniest person in the room is the only one who hasn't laughed at anything real in years. So tell me, are you actually laughing or just performing? Drop your answer in the comments.